hurricane season 2010, and the Weather Channel is the Hurricane Authority. Get instant access to the latest radar and video you can take anywhere with the Weather Channel mobile. Every storm, all season. The Weather Channel is the Hurricane Authority.
Wake up with Al and your weather today. Weekday mornings from 6 to 11 on the Weather Channel. And now, your local on the 8s.
A severe thunderstorm watch is in effect for our area. Our local Doppler radar. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for your area. For tonight, showers and scattered thunderstorms. A few storms may be severe. Low 66. Winds west-southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 60%. And on Wednesday, rain showers ending early with ample sunshine later in the day. High 72. Chance of rain 50%. And Wednesday night, partly cloudy skies early, giving way to a few showers after midnight. Low 63. The week ahead.
And that was a look back at fatal flooding that hit the Atlanta area 1 year ago. At least 10 people lost their lives during the historic Atlanta flooding event. But for two total strangers, it was also a story of bravery, heroism, and survival. Julie Martin tells their tale.
I wasn't really paying attention to my surroundings.
It's a move that could have proved fatal for Melissa Brooks of Douglasville, Georgia. Floodwaters had overwashed the interstate, sweeping her car into a creek that had turned into a raging river.
She came in over the fence that you couldn't see then, and she came in, and the current, the way it was going, it spun her around. She went over the fence here, which you couldn't see.
Zach Stephanie and his co-workers watched the situation go from bad to worse. First, Brooks' car became wedged between trees, and then it sunk.
And then from that point, I just told everybody, wow, we just witnessed somebody drown.
I was able to get out through the window. I was hollering help.
Brooks freed herself and was able to grab onto a tree. Once Stephanie realized she was still alive, he didn't think twice.
So I tied the rope around my waist, between my legs, over my shoulder, and I told him this is the way I was going in.
With the help of others, Stephanie was able to rescue Brooks, but for him it was an eerie deja vu. 30 years earlier, his dad had done the same thing.